Hello guys, this is Prometheus again, bringing you another video. I've been trying to figure out the best Christmas decoration to put on my tree, and I came across this Christmas train set, and I decided to purchase it from Amazon and try it out. I hope you guys like the video. I'm going to unbox it. This is what the train looks like when you first bring it out from the box. Very simple. You have the first train, and you have the one with the Santa and the one packing all the toys. I will show you more. It also comes with its tracks, as you can see. As you can see, it is mounted on the tree, on the stem. As a matter of fact, you can actually take this up or bring it down. There are screws that help mount the trees. I'm not done with it. I'm going to show you guys more on this. Alright guys, you can see this is all fully completed, and you can see the train is sitting there. They have the Santa Claus in the middle, second to the first is after the main train, the caboose. You can see the Santa Claus in the back there, and as you can see here, this is where I had a bit of an issue, because I didn't want to move the train all the way to the middle, which would prevent my kid from trying to take the train off the tracks, and it prevent the branches from the tree, well, the train from touching the branches and maybe get knocked out of the tracks. So I decided to move it up a bit, and which became a problem. As you can see, the stem there is a bit thin. So I had to put papers, cardboard papers in the middle to prevent that from being all wobbly and stuff. It did help, but it didn't help that much. So I also did a little bit of more construction here. As you can see, I will show you that it's back here now. I put like another cardboard paper on the arms of the tracks. So the arms, the black arms that are sticking out. You don't have to do this on your tree. If you have one of those thin trees all the way up, then it doesn't matter. You can put them anywhere where you have something stronger to balance the clutches of the arms. So I'm going to turn this on so you guys see how it goes. So it takes off, it just runs smoothly and plays music. It has a little light in the middle. I don't know if you can see that light when it comes around. There's a little light right there, and you can see that's where I put the cardboard there, and it helps to prevent the tracks from kind of wobbling away, and then preventing the train from falling down from there. But anyway guys, this is pretty much it. You guys, please like, subscribe. If you like this train, you can actually go to my I'm gonna put my affiliation link down on this site, and you guys can just click on that, and it should take you straight to where you can buy this train for your children. Buy it for your Christmas tree. Is one of those things your kids will, when you turn it on the first time, they're gonna be like, oh my god, they're gonna lose their mind. So I think you guys should consider buying these things. Also, I have a smaller train that I put down here. This one doesn't move, but it's for my house. This is my place in there. So, all right, guys, subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Thank you again, and I appreciate it. Bye bye.